All right, what is going on? So I'm going to jump right in here, guys, and share with you the new agent mode that just came out with ChatGPT probably about a week or so ago. And man, it's wild. So what you want to do when you log in into your ChatGPT, make sure I always have it on the 4.0 model. I change it up periodically, but it's mostly on here on this particular model. Then you want to go to Tools and where it says Agent Mode, you want to click Agent Mode. All right. And here is where you can put in pretty much anything that you want outsourced, such as like appointment setting. Just to give you an idea, appointment settings or to order maybe, products or foods. I'm just giving you like a quick idea of how this works. So, what I'm going to do for this particular training or walkthrough, I'm going to try to see if I can set this up to where it will automatically take over and create a CMA report for a particular address for a property that I want to get a CMA report for and email it to a client. All right, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let's see how that works out. I already have my prompt here. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste it, and I'll read to you here what it says. It says you're a real estate assistant who specializes in creating comparative market analysis reports for residential properties. When a user provides a property address and basic details, beds, baths, square footage, recent upgrades, follow this process. And it goes on and shares the process here. I won't read all that. But as you can see, we have all that here. Let me take this off. So I'm going to add that. That's the actual property address and the details. So now what I'm going to do is run this. And sometimes it can take a few seconds. Sometimes it can take several minutes, but we'll see. Okay, and so here are the results. It simply says, understood, I'll gather comparative property sold, active, all right, blah, blah, blah. And now it's asking me to give the address and information about it, right? So now what I want to do is take the property address here and the details about it, paste it here, and let's see it work its magic. So here we go. It opened up a new window there, and it's starting to pull data from the internet for this particular property to get the CMA report together. So I'm going to pause video and I'll come back. Okay, so that literally took a few minutes for it to get the results. I literally got up and walked away from my laptop and just started doing something else and came back and it was up. It's done. So now we have the option. Here's the email here, the subject, the client's name, and what we can do now. It's going to ask, would you like me to send this email automatically to your client or trigger it through like Go High Level, which we use, Zapier, just provide their email address or preferred automation method. So what I'm going to do here, instead of going through our Go High Level, I'm going to ask it to send an email from my Gmail account to her particular email and see if that works. So I'll go here and say, email the client, and I'll put her name. Okay, so I had to actually, I started that over. So I put email the client from my Gmail account to her name. And again, this is just for test with the email address and add my information at the bottom of the email. So let's run this and see what happens. Again, it'll take it a few minutes. Okay, so that came up pretty quick. It started and now it's asking me to verify my email. So what I'll do is click here to take over. And I strongly encourage you to use a new email. Just create a whole new email for this, especially if you're going to use, because this is AI, right? So you don't want it to have access to, maybe your main email. I wouldn't do that. But anyway, so here I'm gonna click next, and I definitely don't want to use this email. So I'm actually going to use another email here. Okay, now we got both in there. I'll hit next. All right. Do a verification. Okay. So now that I'm logged in, I'll go back and have ChatGPT, the agent, to continue to take over. And I just wait. Okay, so it worked for 1 minute. That's all it took. It's already drafted the email to Carla with the subject body and your signature details. The message refers to the attached CMA report because attachments are accessible from the current environment. Please manually. Okay, so we have to manually attach it. Would you like me to send the email now, or would you prefer to attach the file yourself? Um, for the purposes of this training, I'm just going to go ahead and have it to take it over because I want to see what happens. Okay, it says, I can see the draft email ready to send to Carla. Would you like me to click send now? And I'm going to say yes. All right, it says your email to Carla has been sent successfully. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. That was amazing. Set up and for it to be automated. Now, there's a couple of other things like the file attachment that I can add to it. But just think of this, I'm thinking of people that have, like myself, if you have some carpal tunnel or some arthritis, maybe in your hands, or you're limited, and maybe can't necessarily, use your fingers anymore to type, and you need a way to free up that activity, that stress, if you will. So, anyway, guys, if you like this, comment below. Let me if you think this is cool. I think it's amazing. I got some other things that I'm creating to streamline and leverage this for. I've made a list. So, if you're interested in seeing how we're continuing to use this in our business, make sure to follow us, subscribe here on my YouTube channel if you watch me on YouTube, or the link I've provided. Go ahead and grab the 11 AI, called the 11 AI Power Tools, and you'll automatically be added to our weekly push newsletters. So we're talking all things AI, social media marketing, branding yourself better online so that ultimately you can what? You can attract more the clients that you want for your business, whether that's real estate, the leads, whether it's real estate, whether it's consulting, whether it's anything. If you have products and services. So make sure to subscribe to our free weekly push newsletter. All right. As always, you guys take care and take action.